Remember bibia kwaba emfa emra GH Live Studio oba na wa subscribe to the channel. Say unya subscribe here or subscribe here. What notification bell no so pick it all. Like anytime I do video betum bia, you'll be the first person on Sabeka. Now once why I enjoy the amazing content of GH Live Studio. Yeah, the possible lineup plan the squad. Ogum Ede Ekwakushia True Democracy Yankopon Yaduma Ochena Ewo Baba Nyara Sports Stadium MTN FA Cup Obia Enye Obia Ushe screens in this one. We the ticket. Inti okwa na wanswa grabo ticket. Kama na onso dia kwa kohwe game ni bi. Na enchiremu enso ne se happy hour beba. Timoko happy hour ne ko enjoy ya no wasa baba kwa beto ticket. I don't know minimum come for some beton ticket in there, but when they say game bia when ticket out beto. Match bia there will be a ticket out beto. So over 2 matches in and no come to take it 2 in dia boom. And that will be good or better. Yako VIP na 100 Ghana cedis. Oko hwe Kotoko gamer. And you VVIP 100 Ghana cedis. VIP upper 50 Ghana cedis. VIP lower 30 Ghana cedis. VIP wings 20 Ghana cedis. Until the offer crowd no 20 Ghana cedis. MTN FA Cup obia Kotoko ekwakubo True Democracy. Na squad coach Ogum Eddie Omo Eremu. But before no within Eddie and Nabako Immigrations. O share o screen this one. Porcupine tertiary for that so good news at the Emma Crobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bobuku no Porcupine tertiary the letter by one bra omu enua na Napoli and so can't ja e won so atre no eno Emma omo de ba bonten say omo so boycott all the football activities. But me know can say let us answer about Bontia. They are going back to the field. They are going back to the stands. They are going back. Akosoboto crop Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So this is a good news. Ebro. So Sunday Porcupine tertiary. Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. And the marina is early 7 o'clock at the air corner before 7 at the area game. No we say Porcupine tertiary, the flags, Kotoko flags, Menshia flags. At the room when I say Menshia colors, Kotoko colors. At the room, Honoma. Don't be surprised because they are backer or more airbarber supporting Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And Sema etie and so also joining Porcupine tertiary. Now say unyanya sign information. I'm spreading this information to you. Say Nyankopon Eya Duma Uja. Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. We na wonko support team no na team no enso emfa omontuma pa enso emfa coach Prosper Nate Ogum again the final training on yesterday. Yede video na to so obetimi akọ na wakọ akọhwe na ayekama obeshare video no na onua enso anya bia hwe Kotoko omo last preparation omo edi ewura game and also eba bekoso ewo Baba Nyara Sports the MTN FA Cup against True Democracy no coach Ogum and then no they are ready and they are well prepared to play against True Democracy. I'm sure coach Ogum the 22-man squad and a game with them. If say a 20 it will be okay, but it will be 22-man squad pair and not training a course so at 2 young team players. I think say they will be part of the squad coach Ogum and so at the Omo era game when and so all the Porcupine tertiary Monkoni and support because coach Ogum said he will be happy and I are there done come so say obe winning MTN FA Cup and share the one near my corner Kotoko betimi winning MTN FA Cup baby no they can win the MTN FA Cup. Okay, Kotoko gamer omo ekwakobon. This is a gamer. They are going out with all the squad. Sisi Amino can say it's only Joseph Ablo aberante a ne din de Akwasi Asante ɛne aberante a yɛfrɛ no Emmanuel Korte ɔmo na ɛbɛmɛsi game no because pɛɛ ɛndra training na ɛkɔɔ so wɔ adako gyaakye no kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ntumi nyɛ part of the team. They are not available because Lord Amoa is not fit at all. Akwasi Asante ɛnyɛ fit. Joseph Ablo ɛnyɛ fit. Emmanuel Korte, so let's say 4 players, they are not recovered. So as someone here recovered, they are out of the game. But the rest of the players are available. Players are coach Ogumdumu Rem. Madi kind of two of them say Peter Amidu acquire fit. Enra story number 2 at them Kotoko. Or my last training or at them ko na koshe. Abrante and the at the wisdom Basi Fernando. Or also a back. Put it in mind. Abrante and the at the Albert Amoa a back. Michael Che Jamena a present or a part of the team. Or no try, but just as onya suspension. Abrante and the Saka Dawda. Na ewo around environment in say the guy is injured, but the guy is back. So Gokum any abresa or MTN FA Cup. First maybe he'll be using what do you call it, the youth players and answer the be again, but this time Okum edge quarter final of the MTN FA Cup and he's ready to win the MTN FA Cup. See, I'm say I got 3 Ghana Premier League teams: Brekum Chelsea, Bichem United, and Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Omona Akawom. And one thing is Brekum Bichem United. Home na mobom home wadin, but away no enyisa ema wom. And Brekum Chelsea and Bichem will play today. So you'll be winning in the evening no. Na ye hu de tie. And so on say 2 teams no ebia Premier League teams be shia na final. And the squad name out. Coach Prosper Nate Ogum squad or the era game anymore. Any Mohamed Kamara back from suspension. He is part of the team. So Mohamed Kamara, goalkeeper Nidin Ede Frederick Asari, and so Eka squad no. So 2 goalkeepers and a Prosper Nate Ogum Edomoko. Patrick Asiedu defenders na make no. Daniel Ajete Adran or Daniel Adran Ajete eka. Michael Sifa ewum. Samba Ndongani Onel eka squad no. Henry Kwame Ansu and so squad. So these are the defenders that Coach Ogum Edomo era game nemo. Justice Blay, Baba Yahya, Intim Manu Andrews, Samuel Tenedu, Michael Che Jamena, Samson Eduku, Isaac Minta, and I think say Wisdom Basi Fernando, and we are training the course on Intino. The guy will be part of the team. Emmanuel Entry, Saka Dawda, Elvis J. Bafo, Kwame Poku, Peter Amidu Akwa, Vetus Avoka, Anna Isaka Abdul. These are the players that Coach Ogum Edi Omo era game. It's also supposed to be Mohamed Kamara, Frederick Asari, Patrick Asiedu, Daniel Ajete, Michael Sefa, Samba Onel, Kwame Ansu, Justice Blay, Baba Yaya, Intim Menu, Samuel Tenedu, Michael Che Jamana, Samson Aduku, Isaac Minta, Wisdom Fernando, Emmanuel Entry, Saka Dawada, Elvis Che Bafo, Kwame Poku, Peter Peter Amidu Akwa, Avoka Vetos, Isaka Abdul. So these are the players omo echo game anymore. Possible lineup. I'm saying it's a possible. I'm not saying it's a confirmed. Ti mo amo hwe me na every day bia na mo twetwe bi gu ase ho na mo ne me kontokwa no. I'm saying it's a possible lineup. I'm on omo ye Africa ha ye nsɛmtwerɛfo ye de adwen ka ebem ebi ho just a player na amem. So why are you fighting? Mo ba mo nya botere mfama ye. Who players available on more players on meeting yabo, players are ogumdi room or shebet yabwa. Let's support them. Sanity. It's mobile comment section where I mean some fire me pa, but all the same, and in abwa, Emma Jumano, and so air kama pa. And Banner Salams Meniaje, na MO TV, Timmy Mo, na Yaja Jumano kama. Eddie Macrobio Kumasia Santicodo. Joseph Ablo is out. Me confirm actually because on Timmy training the whole of this week. So out. Okay. You goalkeeper Nidin Eddie Mohamed Kamara will be in the post. So Mohamed Kamara them instead of Frederick Asari. Mohamed Kamara demwa na uko Lactras wa number 3 ebeye Patrick Asiedu as usual. Obi antimi nka say Patrick emo hwan bebo. You know it already. So Patrick will play because nipa be backup diama Patrick Asiedu no. Akwesi Asante injured eno wa anye training. Ontimi mo. Emmanuel Corti Patrick enya suspension or boy the same player is injured. So yenya yenim say Patrick Asiedu will play. 2 Daniel Ajeti. Lord Amwa is out. He is not fit. He is not ready. He is not available. So Daniel Ajeti will start. Center backs. Joseph Abloye out. The last 2 games at Kotoko boy, the last 3 games, na ye Ansu Nebo pairing with Samba. Who difference? The last game at Kotoko boy, na Michael Sifa, Ansu. The same thing and happening here. So the backs are very strong. Michael Sifa, Samba O'Neil, center backs. Ye ran fin. Justice Blay will start because Ogumene Niabre. Justice Blay ebe started. Baba Yaya ebe started. Or Emmanuel Entry. Baba Yaya or Emmanuel Entry. One will start for Kotoko. Inti Menu is part. Who is going to play for him? Play. Now Inti Menu at the bench because he has been consistent this season. We are granting the Samba efiri ho a. Inti Menu na more minutes. Okwenim hono. Saka Dauda is not injured. Elvis are consistent. Peter Midu akwa free hono no. Wabeshim bone kama. De ma Kotoko. Kwame Poku bo kama. Ebra abrante ndini Albert Amwa enso eprai. So ohwe ne niema AC corner. Albert Amwa is in the squad, but Kwame Poku will play. So anymore we Kwame Albert Amwa if I say Saka Dawda, Elvis Cheiba for and then Kwame Poku. Enti ohwe ne tie na sa na tie and so ewa ha say. So the squad no Mohamed Kamara, Freddy Kasai, Patrick Essiedu, Daniel Ajete, Michael Sifa, Samba Onel, Henry Kwame Ansu, Justice Blay, Baba Yaya, Intim Menu, Samuel Tenedu, Michael Che Dramana, Samson Eduku, Isaac Minta. So Isaac Minta, and so wisdom dear na make say Minfa hashtag into home because maybe he'll be out. I know when the team na he will not be part or woman. Aha, obit my part. Emmanuel Entry Saka Dawada, Elvis Cheiba for Kwame Poku, Peter Miduakwa, Albert Amwa, Avoka, and Isaka. These two youth players almost beat me outgrim na ogum at the MTN because a home game. So or meet me aka. So the possible lineup: Mohamed Kamara, Patrick Essiedu, Dan Lajete, Michael Siva, Samba Onel, Justice Blay, Baba Yaya or Emmanuel Entry, Michael Andrew Senti Menu and Subegum, Saka Dawada, Elvis Cheiba for Anna Kwame Puku, and so Ebebo Enimho at the Amakrobia Kumase Asante Kotoko Mumfam Paibo, and so enter Omachi Kotoko supporters Munina Monfam Paibo, and Tai Emrantino Echino Munwini, and Fa Emamo, and the coach Dr. Prosper Natugum, and no more players now, almost so, and me and support Kotoko Timono. Say, so put our better training grounds at top. Never ko training grounds, never kuma players no mo so ntimi nom na emo omo training no na bibia enso enye kama aha GH live studio obe subscribe to the channel so nya subscribe ya obe share video no obe like it na wa comment ama bia enso aye kama ewa me do be si asen na ne ewo ho bia no yede ni nyina enso ede ebebromidin ede nanaba kwami gracious man kizito when say won so wan kwana o monitor enema kama na o hwese enema enso ebeye kama na bibia enso atoto din ewo channel yeso yesa enso ene obehye bi nyankopon onhiraw na onye wakoma so ade nyina emfama na weekend di ne di ne yi